Okay guys, so I got 3 new dirt bikes. Here's one, Honda. Here's another one, another Honda. And here's one, Kawasaki. And if you're wondering what the biggest one is, it is this Honda right here. It's the biggest. And of course I have some more, like that, a stand for a dirt bike, another dirt bike that's old, and ATV. And I have these. Fun is it for this collection. And that. And I have tons of videos. Party poppers. Video games, emoji. And a new room where my new bed is. As you can see. My new bed is in here now. My old room. This is my room. And it was my room originally before, but I slept in my brother's room. So now this is my room again. And we deorganized it and put it in new places, put a ton of things in new places. Back here are my fishing stuff. Right there, I don't know what that is. Oh, it's a night light. I don't know where that's there. But look at that stuff. This stuff, that stuff, this stuff. That stuff, marshmallow shooter, those fans. We have Angry Bird stuff. We're going to be putting this chair into the dump because it sucks. And this thing, we're going to keep it for something in use. And my plate is going to go right here. My new table thing where they go. My closet is more organized. Oh yeah, by the way guys, I have on a Fox shirt. You can see that. And I have a, guys, never mind about, and I have a, and now we're going to be doing a video of this stuff. Okay, so, come here. Let's go. Okay, so, in here. That's some of the other things that I have. But these are the best. Wait, these are the most coolest out of all, I think, that I just got today at Walmart. So I'm going to get a setup for this to sit, so you guys can see what I'm doing here. But you guys hang on. Ooh. How did I run into you? Oh, I forgot that I need to put my number on. I'm going to go and do that.